Hello and welcome to today's video, where I will show you how to turn on dark mode in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, click on Start on the Windows 11 taskbar. Then, from your Start menu, navigate to Settings. Once you are in Settings, find and select Personalization from the left drop-down menu. Next, within Personalization, select Colors. Then, click on the current mode next to choose your mode. Here, you can choose between light, dark, or custom modes. If you select custom, you'll have the option to choose one default Windows mode and a different default app mode. For example, you can set dark mode for Windows and light mode for default apps or vice versa. Or, if you prefer dark mode everywhere, simply select dark. And that's it! You have successfully turned on dark mode for Windows 11 desktop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.